Professional tax is a tax that is levied by a state government on all individuals and organizations such as companies, firms, etc. Anyone earning an income from salary or anyone practicing a profession such as chartered accountant, company secretary, lawyer, doctor, etc. are required to pay this professional tax. It is the source of revenue of the government. Based on your salary or income levels, the tax is calculated and the same is deducted from your salary by your employers. The professional tax is imposed at the state level. Different states have different rates and methods of collection. The professional tax is not imposed in all the Indian states. The states in which professional tax is imposed are Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Orissa, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Mizoram, Tripura, Assam, Sikkim, Telangana. The states in which professional tax is not imposed are Arunachal Pradesh, Delhi, Goa, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Nagaland, Punjab, Rajasthan, Lakshadweep, Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Who should registered under professional tax registration? Individual professionals, any of the following organizations: firms, limited liability partnership, company, corporations, business of Hindu undivided family, registered societies, associations, clubs, partners and directors of above-mentioned organizations, employers. Time limit to file professional tax. Professional tax registration applications must be submitted to the relevant state's tax department within 30 days of employing staff. This registration is mandatory for business whether they employ any people in employment or not. If an employer has failed to obtain the registration or enrollment within the time specified, the assessing authority shall impose a penalty for delay in obtaining the registration. Documents required for professional tax registration. For individual: 1. PAN card of proprietor, self-attested. 2. Aadhaar card of the proprietor. 3. Address proof of business, which may include latest utility bills, ownership document or NOC from the owner of premises. 4. Salary details of employees. 5. Cancelled check and bank statement. For LLP, partnership, company: 1. Certificate of incorporation, LLP agreement, registration certificate. 2. Memorandum and articles of association. 3. Board resolution, statement of consent from partners. 4. Self-attested copies of address and photo ID of partners, proprietors, directors. The following individuals are exempted to pay professional tax: parents of children with permanent disability or mental disability, bodily workers in the textile industry, an individual suffering from a permanent physical disability, including blindness, parents or guardians of individuals suffering from mental disability, individuals above 65 years of age, members of the forces as defined in the Army Act, Air Force and the Navy, including members of auxiliary forces or reservists serving in the state. State-specific profession tax rates. The rate of professional tax levied varies from state to state in India. One must verify the prevailing tax rate of their particular state before paying the tax. As the tax slabs keep changing every year, it is better to consult a chartered accountant or tax consultant before paying the tax. Like and subscribe if you find this video useful.